First, in the Brawl Stars app, exit and go to settings to make sure your Bluetooth is on. Double check that it's activated. Next, grab a PlayStation 4 or 5 controller, preferably. Press the PS button in the middle between L3 and R. Click it and make sure it's connected. Then, go to your phone settings to enable the PS4 controller's Bluetooth. Select and confirm the PS4 controller's Bluetooth to pair it with your phone. Once done, you'll see that your PS4 controller is connected to your phone. Also, make sure to charge your PS4 controller, preferably using a wall outlet. When the PS4 controller is fully charged, open Brawl Stars. With your device connected to the PS4 controller, you can now play Brawl Stars. It's as simple as that.
You don't have beard, you want to get same beard like me? Or you don't have eyebrow or hair? I'm the owner of one amazing brand. I help women and men forget eyebrow for women, hair or beard for men. So if you don't have anything else, go to my website complicated.com. I can help you to get this one. I show you proof here. I had 0 beard and I get 1 beard in 3 months with proof. So let's do it now and be handsome, have trust and more happy. Let's do it.